Alright everybody, I'm going to be putting the Bridgeport back together tonight. Try to get that completely reassembled. Please don't mind my little heater down here running. If that hopefully that sound doesn't show up too much on the recording there. But we got the table sitting down there, the cross feed screw. Here's the table lead screw over here with the original Bridgeport power feed motor. I've got a this comes with a 3-phase motor, 240 volts, and I was actually very fortunate. I actually have two 240 volt outlets right over here in this corner. So actually that happened to be a coincidence. That wasn't really planned. It's just this was where it would fit best, and it just so happens those two outlets are over here. I'll probably be using this one down here that I used to power this air conditioning heater unit in the wall. But I got a Timco phase converter off of eBay, sold by Timco. It was about $48, and so we might get into trying to wire that up tonight. I don't know, it's possible we might be able to actually get the mill powered up tonight. So that's what this video is. It's going to be me reassembling the Bridgeport. Like I said, I couldn't cover the teardown as detailed as I'd like to, but hopefully this will be helpful to you, the viewers, anybody that's watching this video series about the Bridgeport, to get some information as to how to take them apart and put them back together. And like I said, this ugly, nasty blue paint that's on here, stickers, whatever that was, I plan on stripping most of this off, and when I do that, I will have to take it apart again. And so at that point in time, since I've got a lot of the grease issue, and that's what was the main thing that was stopping me, was the grease that was everywhere. It was just too messy for me to handle a camera and be taking parts off here and cleaning them. So when I go to do that, I hope to cover in more detail, in a very detailed manner, the teardown process of the Bridgeport, taking it apart. So, well, with that, let's get started. Okay, the first thing going on here will be the saddle. Like that. Okay, alright. Okay, we got the camera repositioned so we can see a little bit more detail what we're doing here. Hang on a second, I gotta grab me a paper towel in my other room here. My laid room. Just another little bit of a grease booger on there that I missed. Okay. The first part that we got to put on here is, this is the felt cover for the saddle. And this is the back of it. It goes on the back of the saddle. And we will actually just go ahead, put that on there and slide it all the way back. And then here comes the saddle. Alright, before I slide that all the way on there, I need to give it some oil. I left my big oiler out in the barn, so I got some right here. Alrighty. I'll need that again here in a minute, so I'll set that up there. Alright. That's sliding very smoothly. I'm very happy with that. Okay. This is... Alright, so that's on there. I forgot to wipe off this adjusting bib. It's not bad. It's actually not too bad. Just wipe it off some. This channel of oil. Slide that gib right in there. Okay. Here's the gib screw. Gib screw, less some grease. Okay. Let's slide this right back out for a second. Alright, now how this works is there's a channel here, and this screw rests in this channel, and it wedges this gib plate in there. Okay. That's in there. Well, sorry you have to see me do this, but It's $32 for a new cover faceplate, and this one came to me broken, and I am currently making an inventory of all the busted parts. There's several of them. There's a couple on the head, these right here in my hand, and those will be videos. Me installing the new parts, but for right now, I'll probably go out and just buy some felt from Hobby Lobby or something like that. But yeah, I hate that you have to see me stick these on here, but I need something on there to cover and protect that gib. So it will be these. Still grease everywhere. Okay, there's that. It's on there. Very stiff. Okay, the next part we're going to put on here. This is the lead screw nut holder. How this works is it just drops down into this hole and then rotates. And then it's got these pins that settle into place, and bam, here's that. Okay, it looks like I'm going to be running out of videotape here in about 8 minutes. Okay, I'm starting to run out of memory for the video, so I'm going to cut this off and get a couple things organized, and then I'll come back.